My journey of balancing life. Hello, my name is Isabella, and I'm 28 years old. I always believed that life could be beautifully balanced if only one had the right mindset. Let me take you on a journey through my daily life, where I navigate the challenges and joys of my office, gym, diet, home, boyfriend, family, and friendships. Morning routine. My day starts early. The alarm buzzes at 5:30 a.m., pulling me out of a deep slumber. I resist the temptation to snooze, reminding myself of the benefits of an early start. I stretch and get out of bed, my mind already racing with the tasks of the day. I head straight to the kitchen to prepare my breakfast, a smoothie packed with spinach, banana, and almond milk. It's my favorite way to start the day, giving me the energy I need. A gym. By 6 a.m. I'm at the gym. The gym is my sanctuary, a place where I can focus solely on myself. I start with a 10-minute warm-up on the treadmill, followed by strength training. Today it's leg day. Squats, lunges, and deadlifts push my muscles to their limits. As I lift, I feel powerful, strong, and ready to tackle any challenge. The endorphins rush through my body, leaving me with a sense of accomplishment. Office life. After a refreshing shower, I head to the office. My job as a marketing manager is demanding but rewarding. I arrive at 8:30 a.m. with a cup of coffee in hand, ready to dive into the day's tasks. Meetings, emails, and brainstorming sessions fill my day. I thrive in this environment, where creativity and strategy come together. My colleagues are supportive, but the occasional office politics can be draining. I remind myself to stay focused on my goals and not get swayed by negativity. Diet and nutrition. Lunchtime is a sacred break in my day. I usually pack a healthy lunch. Quinoa salad with grilled chicken and plenty of veggies. Staying hydrated is key, so I always keep a bottle of water at my desk. I believe that eating clean helps me maintain my energy levels and keeps me focused. I avoid sugary snacks and opt for fruits or nuts when I need a quick bite. Family and home. By 5:30 p.m. I'm back home. My apartment is my haven, a place where I can unwind. I take a moment to appreciate the coziness of my living space. Family is important to me, so I make it a point to call my parents every evening. We chat about our days, and their words always comfort me. My younger sister often visits, bringing her lively spirit and infectious laughter. Boyfriend and relationship. My boyfriend, Alex, is a constant source of support. We have been together for 3 years, and our relationship has grown stronger with time. Alex understands my ambitions and encourages me to pursue my dreams. We enjoy cooking dinner together, experimenting with new recipes. Tonight we're making a spicy Thai curry. Cooking is our way of bonding, sharing moments of joy and laughter. Emotional moments. Life isn't always smooth sailing. There are moments when I feel overwhelmed. Juggling work, personal life, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle can be exhausting. During these times, I turn to meditation and journaling. Writing down my thoughts helps me process my emotions and find clarity. I remind myself to be kind to myself, to acknowledge my efforts and progress. Dealing with toxic friends. Friendships are a vital part of my life, but not all friendships are healthy. I had a friend, Lisa, who was often negative and critical. Her toxic behavior started affecting my mental well-being. It took me a while to recognize the impact of her negativity. I decided to distance myself, focusing on relationships that uplift and inspire me. It was a difficult decision, but necessary for my peace of mind. Managing everything. Balancing everything is a constant learning process. I prioritize my tasks and set realistic goals. I remind myself that it's okay to ask for help and delegate when needed. Taking breaks and setting boundaries are essential. I make time for hobbies and activities that bring me joy, like reading and painting. These moments of self-care recharge my spirit. Weekend adventures. Weekends are my time to unwind and explore new interests. Alex and I love to go on spontaneous road trips. One Saturday we decided to visit a small town 2 hours away, known for its beautiful hiking trails and cozy cafes. The fresh air and breathtaking views were a perfect escape from our busy city life. We hiked for hours, enjoying the serenity of nature. Later, we found a charming little cafe where we savored homemade pastries and hot cocoa. These adventures strengthen our bond and create unforgettable memories. Volunteering. Giving back to the community is something I deeply care about. Every Sunday, I volunteer at a local animal shelter. The joy of spending time with the animals and knowing that I am making a difference is incredibly fulfilling. I formed a special connection with a dog named Max, who was abandoned by his previous owner. Each week, I look forward to seeing his wagging tail and happy face. Volunteering not only brings me happiness but also reminds me of the importance of kindness and compassion. Career growth. At work, I am always looking for opportunities to grow and learn. Recently, I was given the chance to lead a major project. It was a daunting task, but I embraced the challenge. I spent long hours researching, planning, and coordinating with my team. The project was a huge success, earning praise from the higher-ups and a significant boost to my career. This experience taught me the value of perseverance and the rewards of stepping out of my comfort zone. Celebrating milestones. Celebrating achievements, big or small, is important. When Alex got promoted at his job, we decided to throw a small party with our closest friends. It was a night filled with laughter, music, and delicious food. Celebrating these milestones not only strengthens our relationship but also reminds us of how far we've come. We cherish these moments, knowing that they add joy and meaning to our lives. Traveling abroad. Traveling is a passion that Alex and I share. Last year we planned a trip to Italy. It was a dream come true to explore the historic streets of Rome, the romantic canals of Venice, and the breathtaking landscapes of Tuscany. We indulged in authentic Italian cuisine, visited iconic landmarks, and immersed ourselves in the rich culture. Traveling broadens our horizons, offering new perspectives and unforgettable experiences. Each trip leaves us with cherished memories and a deeper appreciation for the world's beauty. Personal growth. Personal growth is a continuous journey. I attend workshops and seminars to enhance my skills and knowledge. Recently, I took a course on public speaking, a skill I've always wanted to improve. Initially, I was nervous, but with practice and determination, I gained confidence. Speaking in front of an audience no longer intimidates me. This achievement has not only benefited my career but also boosted my self-esteem. Maintaining relationships. Maintaining strong relationships with family and friends requires effort and dedication. I make it a point to stay connected with my loved ones, even with my busy schedule. Regular video calls with my parents, coffee dates with friends, and surprise visits to my sister keep our bond strong. These relationships provide a support system, offering love and encouragement in times of need. Learning new skills. Learning new skills keeps life exciting and challenging. Recently, I decided to learn how to play the guitar. Music has always been a passion, and picking up a new instrument felt like a natural step. I practice every evening, and although progress is slow, the joy of playing a new chord or melody is incredibly rewarding. This new hobby adds a creative outlet to my routine and brings a sense of accomplishment. Managing stress. Managing stress is crucial for maintaining overall well-being. I practice yoga and meditation to keep my mind and body in balance. These practices help me stay grounded and focused, especially during hectic days. Taking a few minutes each day to breathe deeply and clear my mind works wonders in reducing stress and increasing productivity. Social life. Social life is an essential part of my well-being. Alex and I enjoy hosting game nights with friends. These gatherings are filled with laughter, friendly competition, and bonding. It's a great way to unwind and strengthen our friendships. We also love attending concerts and cultural events, immersing ourselves in the vibrant energy of the city. Fitness goals. Setting fitness goals keeps me motivated. I recently signed up for a marathon. Training for it has been challenging but incredibly rewarding. Each run brings me closer to my goal, and the sense of achievement fuels my determination. Fitness goals push me to stay disciplined and focused, both physically and mentally. Cooking and nutrition. Cooking is a passion that I share with Alex. We love experimenting with new recipes and exploring different cuisines. Recently, we started a tradition of trying a new recipe every Friday night. It's our way of unwinding and spending quality time together. We focus on healthy, nutritious meals that fuel our bodies and taste delicious. This shared hobby strengthens our bond and keeps us excited about our culinary adventures. Reflecting on life. Every night before bed, I take a few minutes to reflect on my day. I write in my journal, noting down my achievements, challenges, and moments of gratitude. This practice helps me stay mindful and appreciate the small joys in life. Reflecting on my journey reminds me of my growth and the importance of staying positive and resilient. Mentorship. One of the most fulfilling parts of my life has been mentoring younger colleagues and interns at work. Sharing my knowledge and experiences, I help them navigate the complexities of their early careers. Seeing their growth and success is incredibly rewarding. It reminds me of my own journey and the mentors who guided me. Their enthusiasm and fresh perspectives also inspire me, keeping me motivated and connected to the evolving landscape of our industry. Creative pursuits. Creativity plays a significant role in my life. I recently joined a local art class where I learned to paint with watercolors. The process of creating something beautiful from a blank canvas is therapeutic and invigorating. Each brushstroke brings me a sense of peace and accomplishment. My apartment walls are now adorned with my creations, each painting telling a story of its own. This creative outlet adds color and vibrancy to my life, allowing me to express myself in new ways. Financial planning. Managing finances is crucial for a stable and secure future. Alex and I regularly discuss our financial goals and strategies. We have set up a savings plan and are investing in mutual funds for long-term growth. Budgeting helps us manage our expenses and save for future adventures. This disciplined approach to finance provides peace of mind and allows us to enjoy life without financial stress. Gardening. I recently discovered the joys of gardening. I started a small herb garden on my balcony, growing basil, mint, and rosemary. Tending to my plants has become a cherished daily ritual. Watching them grow and thrive under my care is immensely satisfying. Gardening not only provides fresh herbs for our meals but also connects me with nature, offering a calming and rewarding experience. Exploring technology. Staying updated with technology is essential in today's fast-paced world. I recently learned how to code and developed a simple app for tracking my fitness goals. This new skill has opened up a world of possibilities and enhanced my problem-solving abilities. Technology empowers me to be more efficient and innovative in both my personal and professional life. Cultural experiences. Embracing different cultures enriches my life. Alex and I love attending cultural festivals in our city. Whether it's a music festival, a food fair, or an art exhibition, these events expose us to diverse traditions and customs. We enjoy learning about different cultures and their unique perspectives, which broadens our understanding and appreciation of the world. Reading and literature. Books have always been my escape and source of knowledge. I make it a point to read at least one book a month. From classic literature to contemporary fiction, each book offers a new adventure and insights. Joining a book club has introduced me to like-minded individuals, and our discussions deepen my understanding of the stories. Reading not only entertains but also inspires and educates me, feeding my curiosity and imagination. Fitness challenges. I enjoy setting new fitness challenges for myself. Recently, I tried rock climbing for the first time. It was a thrilling experience that tested my strength and determination. Conquering a difficult climb gave me a rush of adrenaline and a sense of achievement. Trying new physical activities keeps my fitness routine exciting and pushes me to new heights. Sustainable living. Sustainable living has become a priority for me. Alex and I have made small but impactful changes to reduce our carbon footprint. We use reusable bags, avoid single-use plastics, and compost our kitchen waste. We also support local farmers by buying organic produce. Living sustainably not only benefits the environment but also promotes a healthier lifestyle. These conscious choices make us feel more responsible and connected to the world around us. Pet adoption. A few months ago, Alex and I adopted a rescue cat named Luna. She has brought so much joy and love into our lives. Taking care of Luna has taught us patience and compassion. Her playful antics and affectionate nature brighten our days. Adopting a pet has been one of the best decisions we've made, adding a new dimension of happiness to our home. Music and dance. Music and dance are integral to my life. Alex and I often attend live concerts and dance classes. Salsa dancing has become a favorite hobby of ours. The rhythm and movements energize us and bring us closer together. Dancing is not just a fun activity but also a great way to stay fit and express ourselves. Conclusion. Balancing various aspects of life is an ongoing process, filled with challenges and rewards. Through dedication, mindfulness, and a positive outlook, I strive to create a harmonious and fulfilling life. Each day brings new opportunities and lessons, shaping me into a stronger, more resilient person. My journey is unique, and I embrace it with open arms, ready for whatever comes my way.